Hey guys, today I'm working with an LG French door bottom pull-out freezer refrigerator, and I'm going to go ahead and just show it off here real quick. We'll start right here with here, let me ditch this water. We'll start fresh, empty cup, we'll go water. See, it's bringing in the water there. And then we will, here, let's turn the light on. And we'll switch this over to cubed ice. Cup center up here. Alright, we'll switch it over to crushed ice. There you go. You can see water, ice, cubed ice. Everything works perfect there. We'll ditch that. And we'll come back, excuse me, one-handed camera work here. On here you've got the Ice Plus feature, which makes ice really fast, gives you the inside room temperature. You can adjust the freezer settings, refrigerator settings. That's for your light. You also hold that to reset your filter. It's got a good filter in there right now. And then you can turn the door alarm on and off. You can also lock this panel out if you have kids. Alright, before I start fanning the doors to show you the inside, I do want to show you that it's at temperature. We've got the freezer set to 0 or below 0 on these models. Sometimes they'll go pretty cold. So there you go, below 0. Nice and cold. I'm going to grab a picture of that for the ad. And this will also get colder if you have that... what's it called there, Ice Plus feature on. It just kind of in general makes the whole thing a little bit colder too, so something to keep in mind. Once you're done running that, you want to essentially turn it off. You can hear it pulling water in there, so nice and cold there. This gun is pretty accurate, and then of course your different levels of the temperature will be a little bit different. And wherever it's blowing cold air, it'll be a little colder too. So we'll shoot that right over there. Anyway, now you can see it's nice and cold on both sections, just like it's supposed to be. I took a picture of it, but I'll show you plenty of ice here. All that working perfect. So we just used some of it up. Anyway, so now that we've gone through and showed you the temperature, I'll go ahead and open it all the way up and just kind of show you real quick. So you've got tons of storage here. 3 drawers. 2 of them have humidity control on them. Everything works perfect. Still needs to be wiped down a little bit on the inside, which I'll get to as soon as I'm done uploading this video here. You've got plenty of space down here. And that's gonna be it. Now you know everything on it works perfect. Here's where you put the water filter, and here I added a picture of it, but there's your model number, serial number, all that good stuff. All the lights work. This thing is in excellent shape. So we'll go ahead and get it listed up for sale. And if you have any questions at all, feel free to reach out. I do appreciate you taking the time to watch my video here. Thanks, you guys have a great day.